Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third and last part of this little series, how to make a contour cut line around this turtle without going into these gaps. And I just made a video using straight lines, and I thought I'd show you a little, or what I would do. I would curve the lines a little bit. I've done most of them. But to make them kind of look equal, instead of drawing another curved line, just grab that curved line, make a duplicate of it, Control D, mirror it, and then hold down your control button, and you're going to be at least parallel with that other line. Same thing on this one. Control D, mirror it, hold down your control button, and it won't let you move anywhere else. So I've already done the bottom one just for the help in the video. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's select it all. Let's get our boundary. First of all, before we do that, I'm going to set my nudge factor, make sure it's on 5 inches, and it is, because I want to be able to move that boundary away as soon as I mark it. I'm going to put a boundary. I'm going to hit the left arrow key. I'm going to put the whole boundary around it. Now I can get rid of my little lines I drew. And sometimes you have to zoom in to get them, but so far I've got them all. Now, to make this a little bit bigger, select it, effects, contour. The hairline is in red. We're going to hairline in black. 0.01 of an inch, just barely put a contour on it. We're going to go to range and break contour apart. We're going to click on it. We don't really know which one we're on, but we wanted the black when we had red, so we got the black back. Now it is contoured just so slightly around the turtle's head, and his neck is kind of curved. It makes him look a little bit better. Then you can just delete this contour. And that way you can have a minute little contour around this turtle without having such a gap, so it won't fill in that gap. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.